For our last problem, let's calculate the radius of the Earth. And the only thing we know is that the Earth mass is 6 times 10 to the 24th kilograms. That's actually 5.98 in most textbooks, but we'll use 6. Keep the number simple today. So we're looking for the Earth radius. So we start off with our formula, F equals G mm over r squared. And we know that G is 6.67 times 10 to the negative 11, the universal constant. Now, we need to decide on some object to place on the Earth's surface. We can use anything we want to, a person, a building, an elephant, or a set mass. What would be a smart set mass to choose? We could use 13.8, we could use 2. How about we use 1? 1 kilogram. We're going to take an object and we're going to lay it on the Earth's surface, and its mass will be 1 kilogram. Nothing special. So for little m, I'm going to place a 1. Now for big M, we need the mass of the Earth, which is 6 times 10 to the 24th. The only mystery in this question is, what am I going to put in for F, the force? Well, what force does the Earth exert on a 1 kilogram object near its surface? A force equal to that object's weight. So how much does a 1 kilogram object weigh? You know, to calculate weight, you just take 1 and multiply by g, mg. So I can do this without a calculator. It's 9.8. Now we just solve for r. Cross multiply and solve. So 9.8 r squared equals 6 times 6.7. And I can combine these exponents in my head real easy. Negative 11 plus 24, that would be 10 to the 13. So I just need to do 6 times 6.67, which is
40.2.
40.02. Say again?
40.02.
40.02. Okay, we'll just call it 40. That'd be simple. So I have 9.8 r squared equals 40 times 10 to the 13th. I know that's not proper scientific notation, but it's okay. If that really upsets you, you could say 9.8 r squared equals 4 times 10 to the 14th. That might make you happier, and that's okay. So now what do I need to do? Divide both sides by 9.8. So 4 times 10 to the 14th divided by 9.8 is
4.08 times 10 to the 13th.
4.08 times 10 to the 13th. And then our last step, we will simply take the square root of both sides. And so for my final answer, I get an Earth radius of the square root of this number, which is...
Okay, teachers, you feel free to stay as late as you need tonight. There's lots of activity going on in the building this evening. Thank you.
The last step generates an answer of
639.0362.
or 6.39 times 10 to the 6, which is the Earth radius, roughly.